think one just jumped in connector. Oh,
I'm reloading.
Nice.
Yeah,
One.
I hear one in connector. I hear one. I think it's
yeah, one
Squeeze
just
back
I
that
think
way.
that's Iana.
Creeping back that way.
The rest of them are over here.
Yeah, they're all there. They're all there. I'm ping.
One just went back to connector.
Yep. They're all ping.
One op
Last
four
one's
remaining.
going back to connector. Last one's going back to connector.
No, he's outside. Yeah.
Connector.
Friendly
Oh,
last
what?
operator
half health on my body. I thought he was still in connector.
He's going back to connector.
I
He's
was trying to
he's
get
in
around behind
connector.
him.
He's droning outside connector.
Tell him staying tight.
Oh, he's over here. For some
Tell him to
reason.
stay in sight. Oh, yeah, he is.
Alright, he's coming from over here. Just throw a shit ton of legions in connector.
10 seconds left.
He had literally no health. I was gonna be so upset. Oh, he's being scanned
I
that whole time
know.
too. You see that drone? Lower left?
Yeah.
Damn, man. I should have had that Maverick kill though.
Look, he thought he was gonna lose that.